What does owning a stock share mean? Imagine holding a tiny piece of a big company. That's what owning a stock share is all about. When you buy a share, you become a part owner, called a shareholder or stockholder. This gives you certain rights and the chance to benefit from the company's success. Each share you own is like a small slice of the company's pie. If a company has 1,000 shares and you own 10, you own 1% of that company. The more shares you buy, the bigger your ownership piece becomes. As a shareholder, you usually get to vote on major decisions, like who sits on the board of directors. Voting happens at shareholder meetings, and your vote can influence the company's future. You might also receive dividends, which are payments made from the company's profits. But remember, dividends are not guaranteed and depend on how well the company is doing. If the company does well and makes a profit, they might pay out dividends to shareholders. If the company goes out of business, shareholders can share in the remaining assets after debts are paid. There are different types of stocks you can own. Common stock is the most common and gives voting rights and potential dividends. Preferred stock usually does not have voting rights but gets dividends before common stockholders and has priority if the company is liquidated. Companies sell shares to raise money for growth, and the first time they do this is called an initial public offering. After that, shares are bought and sold on stock markets, which are like giant marketplaces for stocks. The value of a stock can go up or down based on how investors think the company will perform in the future. If the company grows and earns profits, the stock price usually rises, increasing the value of your shares. Owning stock shares can help you build wealth over time through capital appreciation, which means your shares increase in value. You can also earn money through dividends if the company pays them. Plus, owning shares gives you voting power, so you have a say in how the company is run. So, owning a stock share means you have a small ownership stake in a company with rights to vote, share in profits, and the potential to grow your money if the company does well. Stocks are a popular way for people to invest and work toward building wealth over time.